Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of Suspects Mystery Mansion for iOS and Android with unlimited resources. So let's get straight into the guide. And to download this, we're just going to go to hexmods.com and look for the Suspects Mystery Mansion. So go ahead and press on it once you find it. And then we're just going to go ahead and press the download button, and it's going to start to download the mod. Now before it downloads, you are going to have to do a verification. This is a very simple process. You just have to download some apps, complete the instructions. So they're totally free and they're from the official app store. So I'm going to walk you guys through the process and show you how to do it. So as you can see, guys, it brings us to this page and we're going to see 4 apps. Now the problem is some people will download 2 of the apps. They won't read the instructions. So make sure you read them. Family Island says reach level 10. We got TikTok. You got to run for 30 seconds. So whatever instructions are there, guys, just make sure you do it. And then you're going to get your modded version of the Suspects Mystery Mansion. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Sure, you guys complete the instructions on this page, and you only have to do this entire process one time, guys, in your whole life. Even if you delete the Suspects Mystery Mansion mod and re-download it, it's actually not gonna make you do it again. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but be sure to subscribe to the channel if you like Suspects Mystery Mansion, because this is a pretty crazy mod and it fully works. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're interested in Suspects Mystery Mansion hacks. And yeah, this is super cool, guys. It totally works. I tried it on this old iPhone and I was able to do it. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, so be sure to subscribe to the channel and tell all your friends, because this is wild and it's like updated and everything. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. Be sure to tell all your friends and enjoy the Suspects Mystery Mansion hack right away.